Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to back up data to Google Drive on Redmi 13C device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. If you want to back up your important data to Google Drive, and then you can do the following steps. First, you can go to the settings menu, and then here you can select about phone option. And then here you can choose backup and restore. After that, here you can click on backup option. Okay, and then here you can select any data you want to back up to your Google Drive, such as photo and video, and also Google account data. After that, here you can press on backup now. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to back up data to Google Drive on Redmi 13C device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.